Imagine if we could shrink the sun down to the size of a human. In this scenario, Earth would be as small as a sesame seed. This comparison highlights just how massive our sun really is. But what if the sun wasn't the largest object in our solar system? Would Earth still revolve around it, or would the sun orbit Earth instead? And what would happen to the other planets? Welcome back to Top Weba, and today, we explore what would happen if the sun were smaller than Earth. The sun is so enormous that it would take the equivalent of 1.3 million Earths to fill its volume. It comprises over 99% of the mass in our entire solar system. The sun only appears small from Earth because it is about 150 million kilometers away. If hypothetically the sun were smaller than Earth, our planet would become uninhabitable, and the sun would cease to be a star. In the cosmos, both size and distance are crucial. Earth is ideally situated close enough to the sun to avoid freezing like Mars, but far enough away to avoid becoming a scorched wasteland like Venus. This fortunate positioning in the sun's habitable zone is what has allowed life to flourish on our planet. So what if the sun were smaller than Earth? If the sun shrank to a size smaller than Earth, it wouldn't have enough mass to sustain fusion and would burn out completely. Our solar system would then lose its only star. Without the sun's gravitational pull, all the planets, including Earth, would drift off into space, seeking a new gravitational anchor. This would spell the end for life on Earth. Now, let's consider a different scenario. What if Earth became larger than the sun, while the sun remained the same size? Earth's mass would need to increase at least 333,000 times to surpass the sun's mass. A planet that massive would generate enough heat and pressure in its core to become a star itself. While this would eliminate any possibility of life on such a hot star, it would create a fascinating situation. Our solar system would have two suns forming a binary star system. The two stars would orbit each other, with planets potentially orbiting both. Although life on Earth wouldn't survive, other planets or even moons might develop habitable conditions. Interestingly, about 1/3 of all stellar systems we've discovered are binary or multiple star systems, and some of these systems have stable habitable zones. In either scenario, life as we know it on Earth would be impossible, but who knows? Life might find a way to evolve on other worlds or moons in these newly imagined solar systems.